Hi, and welcome to another video on Python. In this video, we're going to talk about the Fibonacci series and how to do it in Python. So let's get started. This is Chennai Brothers. So what exactly is the Fibonacci sequence? The Fibonacci sequence is a set of numbers that starts with a 1 or a 0, followed by a 1, and proceeds based on the rule that each number, called a Fibonacci number, is equal to the sum of the preceding two numbers. So what is the Fibonacci sequence used for then? Fibonacci numbers are used to create technical indicators using a mathematical sequence developed by the Italian mathematician commonly referred to as Fibonacci in the 13th century. The Fibonacci sequence would somewhat look like this: 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, 233, 377. This is because 1 plus 1 is 2, then 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, and so on. So let's see an example of Fibonacci in Python. I said def, which basically defines whatever comes after it, fib in this case, because short of Fibonacci, and I use these parentheses to indicate that this is a function. Then I said x is the int of the input, what is the fib you want to go to. Whenever you take an input, it's still a string. So let's say x is equal to input, what is your name? And it's asking for my name. I'm going to put Chennai Brothers. And if you look up here in the variable explorer, I gave Chennai Brothers, but it's a string. Let's say do the same thing, but instead of asking you what is your name, let's say what is your number? So now it's asking for a number from me. So I'm going to say 3. And if you still see, even though this is a 3, it's still a string until we do int of x, which gives us 3, and print x 3. But see, can you see the difference? It's 3 because it's the integer 3, and here print x, it's over here since it's the string. So I took the integer and put it as x, and I defined a to be 0 and b to be 1. I said if x is equal to 1, so if you say fib 1, fib and then 1, it just prints out 1 since that's what 1 is. Otherwise, I tell it to print a, then b, then I said for I in range 2 to x. I said 2 and not 1 because already 0 and 1 are there. And 2 to x, which x is the one that we gave, c, I'm defining another one to be a plus b. Then I'm saying a is equal to b now, and b is equal to c now, and print c. So let's try it out. And it says, what is the fib you want to go to? How about 4? And it gives me 0, 1, 1, 2, because that's the fib. Now, let's try a bigger number, like 220. It does it pretty fast. Now, let's try the same thing with 100 this time. And it still does it fast. That's how you do a Fibonacci sequence in Python. This is the end of this video. For more videos, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do you have things that you want to learn? Please write them down in the comment section below. Now please take a few seconds to click on the subscribe button and the bell button so you get all of our videos. Bye. This is Chennai Brothers.